Why don't we tell secrets in a cornfield? Because the corn has ears. Now that's a bit of farm humor to get us started. But let's shift gears from the world of crops and vegetation to something equally natural, yet substantially more beneficial to health. As a matter of fact, we're not just talking about any regular health product, we're discussing something that curiously doesn't have ears, but does pack a punch in terms of nutritional value. You're probably wondering, what could that possibly be? Here's the answer: our health shakes. Now, let's take a minute to ponder. What exactly are health shakes? Interestingly, they are a blend of carefully selected, high-quality ingredients, all combined to deliver a powerhouse of nourishment. A perfect mixture of proteins, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs. They offer a rich source of nutrients that often are difficult to incorporate in our typical day-to-day meals. But it's not just about nourishment, it's about convenience too. In a world where everyone is racing against the clock, these health shakes become an ideal go-to solution. Imagine all the goodness you need in a single drink. That's right, just a quick shake and your meal is ready to be served. And while we're on the topic, let's address one more thing: taste. Many people have a preconceived notion that anything healthy cannot be tasty. We're here to bust that myth. Our health shakes are a delight to the taste buds. They come in a variety of flavors, each one more tantalizing than the last. However, what truly sets our health shakes apart is their silence. They might not have ears, but they sure do have a voice. A voice that speaks of health, wellness, and vitality. Unlike the corn in the field, they're not about gossip or eavesdropping. They're all about delivering the nourishment you need to fuel your body and empower your life. Now we've traversed this journey of exploration together, from cornfields to the world of health shakes. It's time for action. It's time to make a decision for your health, for your wellness. So are you ready? If yes, then without further ado, let's dive into the world of health shakes. Ever wonder what goes into your favorite health shake? Let's dive deep into the intriguing world of health shakes, a magical fusion of taste and nutrition. There are 4 key pillars to any health shake, each contributing its unique value: fruits, vegetables, protein powders, and liquids. They amalgamate to give you a flavorful, nutritionally balanced drink. Let's kick off our journey with fruits, the delightful natural sweeteners in your health shake. They're not just there to make your shake taste good, they also pack a powerful punch of essential nutrients. Fruits are abundant in vitamins like A, C, and E, which help boost immunity, improve vision, and maintain skin health. They provide a good amount of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you satiated. And let's not forget the antioxidants, which protect the body from damage by harmful molecules. Fruits like bananas and berries are regulars in the health shake world, but let's not limit ourselves. Consider tossing in a juicy slice of mango, a handful of antioxidant-rich cherries, or even a chunk of pineapple for a tropical twist. The options are endless. Next on our list are vegetables. They might not be everyone's favorite ingredient, but bear with me. Vegetables are nutrient powerhouses. They are packed with vitamins, minerals that support good health. They also carry a lot of fiber, keeping you full and aiding in digestion. Plus, they're low in calories, making them a brilliant addition to any diet. Spinach, kale, cucumber, beetroot. They might not sound tempting, but they blend seamlessly into your shake, enhancing its nutritional value without overpowering the taste. Who said healthy couldn't be delicious? Moving on to protein powders, the cornerstone of a health shake, especially if you're using it as a meal replacement or post-workout fuel. Protein powders come in a variety of forms: the popular whey, plant-based soy, pea, and even hemp. They provide the necessary protein for muscles to repair and grow, and they help you feel fuller for longer, warding off any mid-meal snacking tendencies. Lastly, we address the liquids, the creative playground of your health shake. From almond milk, coconut water, simple water, to even a splash of antioxidant-rich green tea, you can experiment endlessly to create unique flavor profiles. But remember, they also serve a functional role. They give your shake its consistency, making it, well, shakeable. But the art of making a health shake lies in the balance. A perfect equilibrium of fruit sweetness, vegetable nutrients, protein sustenance, and liquid consistency. Not too much fruit where it becomes a sugar bomb, not too little protein that it lacks sustenance, just the right amount of veggies to keep it nutritious and enough liquid to make it drinkable. It's a delicate art, but with a bit of practice and a dash of creativity, you'll master this art, crafting a health shake that satisfies both your taste buds and nutritional needs. Remember, a health shake is only as good as its ingredients. Health shakes aren't just delicious, they're also packed with benefits. Now let me paint a vivid picture for you. Ever considered how something as humble and unassuming as a health shake could bring about a substantial shift in your well-being? It might seem like a tall order for a simple shake, but let me assure you, it's anything but. Ever experienced that all too familiar lethargic sensation after indulging in a large, rich meal? That's the perfect scenario where health shakes can step up and take center stage. They come as a breath of fresh air to your digestive system, being extremely light and easy to process. Their role in enhancing digestion is something that deserves our attention. The secret to their potency lies in their high fiber content. Fiber, sourced from an assortment of fruits, vegetables, and grains, is a key component of these shakes. It aids in regular bowel movements and is a boon for a healthier gut. Consuming these shakes is akin to giving your digestive system the much-needed break it deserves. Yet, the marvels of health shakes extend far beyond digestion. They also emerge as stalwarts in bolstering your overall immunity. These shakes come loaded with a host of essential vitamins and minerals that play a crucial role in strengthening the body's defenses. Picture them as your personal drinkable shield, ever ready to safeguard you against potential health threats. And what about when you're having those dreary, low-energy days when you're dragging yourself around, feeling depleted and drained? That's another area where health shakes swoop in as your rescuer. They come brimming with natural sugars from fruits and complex carbohydrates from grains. These ingredients provide a consistent release of energy, enabling you to stay active, alert, and on your toes throughout the day. In addition to all these perks, health shakes offer a convenient way to meet your daily nutritional requirements. In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves skipping meals or turning to quick, unhealthy fast food options. However, with health shakes, you're essentially getting a balanced, nutrient-rich meal in a single glass. But that's not all. Here comes the cherry on top. Health shakes can actually aid in weight management. When carefully crafted with the right mix of ingredients, they can help you feel satiated for longer, curbing the urge to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. Just imagine all these incredible benefits neatly packed into a single glass, filled with a delectable and refreshing blend. It's like relishing a sumptuous cake, but in a guilt-free, healthier way. So health shakes aren't just an enticing choice for your palate, they have the power to make your entire body feel invigorated and revived too. So not only do they taste good, they make you feel good too. Hope you're enjoying the shakedown so far. We are thrilled to have you here, joining us in our journey towards healthier living. It's always a pleasure to engage with you all as we explore the world of nutritious shakes designed to improve our well-being. The joy of these shakedown sessions is how interactive they can be. A platform for all of us to share our experiences, insights, and pro tips. Now, if you're as excited about this journey as we are, we'd love for you to hit that like button. It not only encourages us, but also helps others discover these healthful shake recipes. Subscribing to our channel will ensure that you don't miss any of our future updates. Our mission is to provide you with more and more insightful, juicy content that will push your health to the next level. We highly encourage you to drop us a comment below. Maybe you've got a killer health shake recipe you'd love to share. Perhaps you've tried one of our recipes and seen some fantastic benefits. From weight loss to improved digestion, the benefits of these nutrient-packed can indeed be surprising. Your feedback, ideas, and experiences are the fuel that powers our content. We learn from you as much as you learn from us. So don't be shy to share your thoughts. After all, we're in this journey together. Your interaction helps us bring more exciting content to you. Ready to shake things up in the kitchen? Let's dive into a world of flavors, textures, and health with our top 3 health shake recipes. First on our list, a powerhouse of nutrients, we have the Green Machine. This shake is more than just a health concoction. It's a way to kickstart your day on a powerful note. Imagine sipping a smoothie that's packed with leafy greens, fruits, and a secret ingredient that gives it an amazing protein punch. Intrigued? Here's what you require to whip up this green goodness. Gather up 2 cups of fresh spinach, preferably organic, 1 pear. It can be green or red, just make sure it's ripe, half a ripe banana for that touch of sweetness, a 1/4 cup of thick Greek yogurt for creaminess, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for that healthy crunch, and 1 cup of almond milk to bring it all together. Now it's showtime. Take all the ingredients and toss them into your blender, the magic machine that will transform these raw ingredients into a delicious, healthy shake. Blend until everything is well mixed and you observe beautiful green color. And voila! You've just created your very own Green Machine. This shake is rich in fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. It's a perfect breakfast option or a midday snack to keep your energy levels up and keep you satiated. Next on our list is the Berry Bliss. If your heart beats a little faster at the sight of berries, this one's going to be your favorite. Here's what you need. 1 cup of mixed berries. You can use strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you like. Even exotic ones like blackberries or loganberries if you wish. Half a banana for some natural sweetness. 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. And 1 cup of almond milk. Blend all these together until you get a smooth, creamy texture. The Berry Bliss is not just delicious, but also packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants help in fighting free radicals in your body, keeping you healthy and glowing. It's like having a beauty treatment from the inside out. Finally, let's explore the exotic realm with our final recipe, the Tropical Twist. This refreshing shake will transport you to a sunny beach with its exotic flavors. You'll need half a cup of fresh pineapple chunks, half a flavorful mango, 1 banana for that tropical sweetness, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt for creaminess, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds for some healthy fats, and 1 cup of coconut milk to give it that tropical touch. Blend all these ingredients together until smooth. The Tropical Twist is a great source of vitamin C, which can boost your immune system. Plus, the flax seeds add a dose of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart. Remember, while these shakes are packed with nutrients, they should not replace a balanced whole food diet. Think of them as a supplement to your meals, not a replacement. Each of these shakes brings something different to your day, whether it's a boost of energy, a burst of antioxidants, or a tropical vacation in a glass. They're all quick and easy to make, and the best part is you can tweak them to suit your taste. Like it sweeter? Add more banana. Want it creamier? Add more yogurt. It's all up to you. So are you excited to shake things up in your kitchen? Get your blender ready and start experimenting with these recipes. And there you have it. 3 health shake recipes that are not just tasty, but also packed with a whole lot of goodness. The Green Machine, the Berry Bliss, and the Tropical Twist. Which one will your favorite? Try these out and let us know your favorite. Looking for the best products for your health shakes? There's an entire universe of gadgets and ingredients designed to aid you in crafting the flawless concoction. As we delve deeper, we'll examine a selection of top-tier options that are sure to elevate your health shake game. Central to any smoothie operation is the blender. The Vitamix Explorian blender is a beast of utility, boasting a 2.2 peak horsepower motor capable of obliterating even the most stubborn ingredients. This high-performance machine is a significant investment, but rest assured, the payoff in terms of quality and consistency is well worth the monetary commitment. However, if the Vitamix exceeds your budget, consider the NutriBullet Pro. This wallet-friendly alternative's still quite a punch. It's compact, a breeze to clean, and is ideally suited for single-serving smoothies. Moving on, an essential element often overlooked in the smoothie making process is protein powder, the optimum nutrition gold standard. Whey protein powder is a popular choice amongst health enthusiasts. It boasts an impressive variety of over 20 mouth-watering flavors, with each serving providing 24 grams of, if you follow a vegan lifestyle or are lactose intolerant, no worries. Vega Sport Premium Protein is a plant-based solution that replenishes your body with a substantial 30 grams of protein per serving. Another frequently neglected necessity is the straw. With the rise in environmental consciousness, plastic straws are out and reusable straws are in. Stainless steel straws are a superb option. They're robust, a cinch to clean, and the ideal companion for thick and creamy health shakes. Lastly, let's take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero of the smoothie world, the mason jar. These multifunctional vessels are exemplary for storing your health shakes. They are dishwasher safe, freezer friendly, available in a plethora of sizes to accommodate your needs. Keep in mind that these are just a small sample of the countless products available that can augment your health shake routine. For additional information and purchase links for these items, please refer to the description box beneath the video. Equip yourself with the right tools and ingredients to make the perfect health shake. That's a wrap on our health shake journey today. Let's briefly revisit our discussion. We dissected the composition of a shake, a nutritious fusion of fruits, veggies, and proteins. They're not just tasty, but are designed to fuel your body. We outlined the numerous benefits of these shakes. They're an efficient way to consume essential vitamins and minerals, aid in weight control, bolster your immune system, and enhance your skin health. Health shakes offer a convenient way to meet nutritional needs, even on your busiest days. We also delved into our top 3 shake recipes: the Green Goddess, the Berry Bonanza, and the Chocolate Peanut Butter Powerhouse. Each recipe boasts a unique blend of flavors and health perks. We urged you to try these recipes and find out how easy and enjoyable it can be to incorporate health shakes into your daily regimen. We spent some time discussing our recommended health products that we believe can enhance your health journey. These aids and supplements can help you maximize the benefits of your health shakes and overall wellness routine. Health shakes aren't just a fad, they're a lifestyle choice that could lead to better health. So take the leap, try them out. Experiment with various ingredients and flavors to discover what suits you. It's about making choices that nourish your body and make you feel good inside and out. We hope you found this video both educational and motivating. Our goal is to empower you with the information and tools you need to make the best health decisions. Please like and comment below. Stay healthy and keep shaking things up.